Here we are, bathroom has now been completed, all the tiling's done, shower's been fitted. This is a dual head shower, fitted a 1200 by 800 shower tray and enclosure. This has got a sliding door. This is 8mm thick glass on this door, which is 2mm thicker than normal, so that's okay. 550 wide vanity unit. You've got some storage under there, which is good. Fitted a new radiator. This is a slightly higher toilet, called a comfort height toilet. A normal toilet comes to about there, so this is slightly higher. We've fitted the PVC skirting. The customer wanted a bit of a skirting board fitting. Normally we go straight down to the floor with the tiles, so we fitted the PVC skirting all the way around. So yeah, all in all, very pleased with it. New light and new extractor, and we've even painted it all for him as well. Thank you.